Today we're going to sail back down to the man-made island of RedFish in Galveston Bay, explore the island, and Patricia's going to do a little bit of treasure hunting. This is Patricia, and I'm Dave. During the summer of 2020, we traveled to French Polynesia for a sailing vacation. We had such a great time that we decided to buy a sailboat when we returned. Our new Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 arrived in April of 2021. Watch as we outfit and upgrade Cavu, learn to sail first on the Texas coast, but eventually the world.
Out here on Galveston Bay again, and I'm hoping to get some treasure hunting in. Maybe do a bonfire. It's finally getting cool enough to do outside activities. Finn's come along for the adventure. He's still not sure if he likes the sailboat yet, but he's getting a little more comfortable. Water's out. We need some more water? Fly away. You gotta stay hydrated when you're sailing. Very important. There's no air conditioning right now, Finn. These flimsy Kirklands. Okay, let's put this back. Watch out, Finn. Let's close this. Woo. So I'm downstairs in Cavu right now, and we're going like 6.5, 7 knots. And well, Dave's running one of the winches right now. But just like, it's so quiet down here. There's a dog butt right in the doorway. What are you doing blocking the companionway, Finn? He wants to come down here because he thinks there's AC on. Finn, I hate to break it to you, buddy. There's no AC down here. We have no AC. I know. No AC, buddy. Suck it up. Well, babe, it was quiet until you started playing with the lines.
Well, I trim them up because we're like
Yeah, that's fine.
coming into pretty much a reach. Almost to a close haul.
So, how do y'all curl up your lines? Because this is how I do mine. Kind of use the winch as a support. And I loop it around, keep on making loops. And then when I have, I don't know, that's probably like another loop to go, I take that and I twist it around 3 to 4 times. And then I go back through the center and in between all the other loops. And I kind of tighten it up. But I don't know if that's the best way to do it. Comment below if you have a better way of tightening up your lines.
Having started late in the day, we didn't waste any time assembling the dinghy and loading it up for our trip to shore.
All right, sun's going down, chairs are blowing up, fire's lit. So here we are. Cavoo is off there.
Anchor looks like it's holding good.
Got the fire behind us. We got the ship traffic. Got the sunset. Got our wine.
That sure is pretty.
Whoa!
Good.
Yep.
We enjoyed the sunset on the beach and let our fire burn down before returning to Cavu. The muddy bottom in Galveston Bay is very sticky, and for the most part the island protected us from the wakes of the bigger ships, but some of the really big ships would actually get around it, and we got a little bit of a roll, but our anchor held well. I got Patricia this metal detector some years ago. I think it was a Valentine's gift. She had the choice of diamond earrings or the metal detector, and she chose the metal detector. She said she wants to go treasure hunting. So this is the first time we've really had it out. And hunting over the spoils of a man-made island are not really that fruitful, but she did give it a good effort, looking around the areas where maybe some of the drunk boaters might have dropped something. But I think she only found a few beer tabs. Definitely in the future, we'll find a better treasure area and let her do some more hunting. Comment below if you have any tips. The Houston Ship Channel is one of the world's busiest waterways. Nearly 60 miles long and 1,000 feet across, with a 530-foot wide, 45-foot deep center channel. The Texas Chicken is a maneuver known to mariners who regularly navigate large vessels on the Houston Ship Channel. It involves heading directly towards the opposite coming ship, only to turn away within about a half a mile and allowing the hydrodynamics to keep both boats in the center of the channel. RedFish Island was a natural island in Galveston Bay, and it all but disappeared by 1990 due to hurricanes and erosion from the ship traffic in the channel. In the 1990s, the Army Corps of Engineers were going to widen and deepen the Houston Ship Channel. The plan included several environmental mitigation efforts, like the creation of over 4,000 acres of salt marshes to restore lost wetlands, building a 6-acre nesting island for birds, and an underwater berm for fish. It also included 118 acres of new oyster reef, and so with this, RedFish Island was reborn. More than 200,000 tons of limestone created a 4-acre boomerang-shaped island with an acre of bird habitat. The limestone was placed on the channel side for oyster beds, and a 1,000-foot rock dike creates a 40-acre safe harbor for human visitors. And in 2003, RedFish Island was returned to the boaters of Galveston Bay. It's a popular destination for a picnic and even an occasional tanker surfer. Yes, that's right. The tankers moving up and down the Houston Ship Channel creates such a wave that some brave souls come out and actually surf them here.
Dave, what's that about?
He's like, I've had enough of this. About had enough of this.
Oh, you peach fan, so you're good in that department.
One of the cool features of our new Jeanneau 440 is a remote fob that controls the swim platform. So as we come up to the boat, I can simply press the fob and open the swim platform for easy docking, and also close it when we leave to secure the boat.
So that big container ship just came by the island, probably swamped it. So we got out just in the nick of time. Got the dinghy in tow. Got the wifey happy. Unfortunately, the wind situation not that good right now, so might pick up enough, and if we turn the corner here, we'll get the sails up. But it looks like it might be a motorhome.
Well, the wind did eventually die down on us, so we ended up pulling the sails down and motoring the rest of the way in. But we had a great sail down and a great overnight anchorage with just a fantastic sunset. So it was a overall success. Coming up next for us is the Annapolis Boat Show. We'll be up there Friday, Saturday. If you're going to be up there, look for us. We'll be in the YouTube tent Friday at noon and Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Otherwise, we'll be wandering around, look for a video of that event. After that is the Harvest Moon Regatta, sailing from Galveston down to Port Aransas. I'll be crewing with one of my dock neighbors' boats, and then Patricia will be joining us once we get to Port Aransas. Make sure you like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in Annapolis next week.